In this video, we'll show you how to add a page to your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Then from your main navigation, select Admin and then Pages. On the Pages page, click the Add Page button. Enter the name into the name field. Enter the start date into the start date field. And enter the end date into the end date field. Enter the content of your page into the free text content field. You can also include an image, link or table here if you would like to. Click the Add Page button to add your page. Pages can be found by selecting your PTA from the main navigation, where they will appear in alphabetical order. And that's it, you have now successfully added a page to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.